shocking and troubles of the logic board, we actually got this working. My Mac 128. And I'm going to start it up for you guys. Here we go. Heck yes. Heck yeah, baby. There's a disk icon. Huge step, but it can also force eject the disk. I checked the disk drive in this thing, and it did not work. So let's put a disk in. Put a disk in. See if it works. Doesn't. So I'm gonna force eject it. It can do that. So yeah, this thing's up and running, and part 2 will be where we fix the disk drive. I'm gonna clean the drive heads with some alcohol, with some rubbing alcohol, see if it works. So yeah, it works. Look at that. And also the logic board is now a 512K logic board. So this thing's upgraded too. The original was a 128K logic board. We still have that one and we're never gonna discard it. So yeah. Put my discs back here, because that's the only spot I can find. See you guys later.